Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 36. How to add money back guarantee extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add money back guarantee extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. Now select ads and extensions and click on extensions from the top. Now click on View Site Link Extensions button and you have so many extensions in the list. Select Site Link Extensions from the list, now click on Create Ad Extension button. Now click on this Add New Site Link Extension link, here enter link text as Money Back Guarantee, in description enter your details. Next select Device Preference, then enter your final URL, and click on Save button. So this is how you can add Money Back Guarantee extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 37. How to add call extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add call extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.